How's it going, guys? Lock Picking Co-Miner here. I was going to do my giveaway drawing, see who wins. Had a pretty good turnout. Had 35 people. More than I thought it'd be. So we had Rook Knight, Jack Fox, Starry Lock, Chris Capune. He's donating JJ Picks Locks, Brummy Lock Picker, Rubber Band, Monkey Lock Picks, BT Picker, The Bone in the Box, Don Juan, Murloc 68, Room Picker, Michael Jenkins, Sunseb, Mogsy, Lock Mania, Picked It Mate, Natural Born Picker, Pocket Women, Down Under Monkey, Lock Hack, Cherokee, Georgia Jim, Dusty and Wendy on the back, Paul Springett, Steve E, Lock Picking Newbie, Steel Pinnings, Ghosted Shadow, Real Tater, Keyless Entry, Gus F, The Butcher's Block, Nate Griffith 42, Lock Pickings Gal. I really appreciate it for everybody entered. So I figured I'd show the prizes one more time before we do the drawing. American Lock 1100, brand new. There's the bidding. Try not to make it a long video. Lotto Lock 410. It's got the 401 keyway. It's got pretty good bidding on it. Here's the other two locks. The CHD disc detainer lock. It's pretty cool. So I can get it open for you. They're pretty fun to pick. So got this B-Tox 50mm. It's a pretty good lock. And we got the picks for it. Top of the keyway, bottom of the keyway. And two pinning mats. And here's the pick. If anybody, it's about 16 or 17 thousandths. If somebody don't think they would like to have one that skinny, I'll let you trade it out for something like this. If you'd rather have a thicker one, 24 thousandths. It feels really good in the hand too, but a little thicker. So just let me know whoever wins. But let's see who wins, guys. I can't. Oh, and I forgot one more. The EDC picks. Got the tension wrench on the back, so I can't wait to see who wins. We got some new subscribers out of it, so let's put everybody in this box and I'll let my girl pick the name out. So let's go ahead and throw them in. Excuse me, sorry. We got Rook Knight. If I can find some place to sit it where everybody can see. Jack Fox. Well, if I can get it. Starry Lock. Chris Capune. Get it where everybody can see it. Brummy Lock Picker. Get where I can pick them up. Monkey Lock Picks. Rubber Band. BT Picker. Bone in the Box. Don Juan. The Butcher's Block. Lock Pickings Gal. Nate Griffith 42. I was just trying to make sure I didn't leave nobody out on the videos. I was trying to watch them all the way up till I done this, so see if I can get all these picked up. Maybe. Lockmania. Picked It Mate. Natural Born Picker. Pocket Women. Lock Hack. Down Under Monkey. Gus F. Keyless Entry. Cherokee. Sunset. Murloc 68. Michael Jenkins. Room Picker. Lockpick and Newbie. Real Tater. Ghosted Shadows. Steel Pinnings. Steve E. Georgia Jim. Paul Springett. Mogsy. And the last one, Dusty and Wendy. Just make sure we got them all, nothing on the table. So let's put the lid on it. Shake them up. Let my little girl come over here and pick one. Just pick one out, okay? Reach in there and stir them up good. Ready? Just stick your hand in. Alright, let's see who we got. Oh, the Bone in the Box. Congratulations. Awesome. So, I'll get this right out to you, man. Congratulations to the winner. You got 1 week to get in touch with me. Or if not, I'll pick somebody else. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for everybody. Later.